If you're worried about the weak spots around your entry door, the Prime Line Jamb Repair and Reinforcement Kit offers a simple, effective solution. Designed to strengthen vulnerable latch and deadbolt strikes, this kit helps secure your home without the hassle of a full door replacement. Home security matters, and this kit delivers. It's an easy upgrade that can significantly reduce the risk of forced entry. By reinforcing the door frame, you're adding a layer of protection that's often overlooked but critical for keeping your home safe. The kit's steel components come with a white powder-coated finish, blending seamlessly with most door frames. This means you get both durability and a clean look that won't stand out or require extra painting. With a robust 12-gauge thickness once installed, the reinforcement extends up to 59.5 inches in height, covering the most vulnerable areas of your door frame. This thickness is key for resisting impact and making it much harder for intruders to break in. One of the best features is its non-handed design. Whether your door swings left or right, single or double-hinged, this kit fits perfectly. That flexibility makes it a practical choice for nearly any home setup. Customers rave about the value this kit offers. One homeowner shared that after a break-in left their door frame splintered, installing this kit was a game-changer. It took less than 30 minutes to install solo, costs under $30, and provides peace of mind that's hard to put a price on. This kit isn't just sturdy, it's confidence in a box. While no security measure is completely foolproof, the Prime Line Jamb Repair Kit makes kicking in your door a serious challenge. That's why it's trusted by homeowners looking for a budget-friendly way to boost their home's defense. If you want a straightforward, reliable upgrade that strengthens your entry door and adds real security, this kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to protect your home without breaking the bank.